Okay, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be playing Starbirds. I've been playing it already. I'm not going to bother to go back to the beginning because I don't want to. I'm just going to start from here. Anyway, you'll get the game as I go along and play it. To be honest, there isn't much about it I can tell you. But I'm going to put the thing down here. So I can get these tasks to do. I have to put these machines down that will mine for me. No longer am I mining crafting, I'm just mining. So I think this is uranium. This is titanium. Oh, I'm rapping. I need to put this down because there's a special little thingy. Which also, it just says requires me to put water there, but there isn't water on this planet, so I'm gonna have to put a landing pad down. Just preemptively, I'm gonna do that. I need to find a planet, not a planet, an asteroid, that has water on it. So I can discover this using the tech points and the credits. They can buy buildings with credits. I'm not gonna, spoil too much of the game. This will be the water planet. I'm gonna do it. That was an alright spot. Okay, these require, because they're ice, they require ice extractor. Or else they won't come out of the ground, I think. But yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna plug them up to that so that we have the water, and then I'll connect it up. I'll link it with the building that needs water, so that'll be good. Here's the water bit, and here's the building needs water. The asteroid needs water, that bit. And while that does that, then I'm gonna just, I don't know, explore this planet, just mine for all the other resources. I don't even have enough money to put something down. I have to wait. That one's done, so that's good. This is done. I'll accept that quest. I'll accept the Jesus. I don't need any water anymore because just leave all of the water going back to the station, which will give me more money, I guess. So that's cool. And what is this also for? I feel like there's going to be something else. That would be cool. I'm just going to discover them all. Discover all of these, bro. Let's find out everything. What's this have on it? Cool. What's this have on it? Great. This is just uranium haven thing. It looks like this one has nothing on it. There's nothing. But let's do same time. That's crazy. What the flip? If you're feeling like this is really boring and you don't want to watch the video, then I don't really care. Use this video as background. Use this video as background noise if you don't want to watch it. That's what I would do. What am I doing? Can we put it in the right place? Yes, thank you. Which will connect up. There we go. This one is just pushing out everything on Earth. Not even on Earth. Oh my god. Maybe we'll need the methane in the future. Okay, this is just not even waiting, That's crazy. Iron not found. I'm pretty sure it has been, but okay. Let's do some oxygen, And then we'll put a load of ice extractors down. Maybe like 3 or 4. Because we're not selling water, we're selling oxygen. So you have to refine it in the refiner. One for each thing. Let me put a refiner down, man. Okay. What did I just do? Okay. I didn't do anything. Okay, good. There we go. That's pumping out oxygen. What am I doing now? Let's go to the iron world. Settle down here. I guess we can't do anything. Let's settle down here. Wow, there's a lot of iron. And titanium, maybe. Importantly, iron. There we go. There we go. How much iron do we need? Gosh. A lot. Right, iron being sent. Good. What did I need for this one? It was like a heavy alloy. How do I make this? Strong alloy. Titanium and iron. Well, we have iron and we have titanium. So, do we have iron and titanium on this planet? Yes. This will be a strong alloy planet. It needs to be put on. What are you saying? What do you want? What's going on? There's no small craters on this planet. Okay, well. We're gonna make a bomb. Small explosive. Yes. Where is the sulfur planet? Where is it? Sulfur, 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 sulfur. There is sulfur. Good. Not much sulfur's coming out. I hear. As the bird says. What? Bird is telling me that there's not enough sulfur here. I think the bird's right, personally. But I'm gonna put them and get the sulfur production up by increasing extraction of sulfur. This is immediately, it comes up and then they give it like 1 second and it's gone. So that's good. This was the bomb planet. You have to bomb it. Here. Why can't I put it here? Where do I put it? On flat ground? God. Don't want much, do you? Alright, well, I'm gonna have to get rid of all this then, aren't I? Actually, maybe not. Maybe not. That would be silly. Let's not rush to any conclusion. But, oh, there it is. Okay, cool. Oh, there's the new points. Explosives require strange points. And I guess also we can't use more than... Okay, well, that's fine. This is making... We need power. That would make sense. Oh. Strongest starlight is highlighted while previewing solar panels. Here. Is that what he meant by previewing? Maybe. I don't know. Nevertheless, not quite working. That's going out. It's going to have to be shipped to somewhere with iron. So this has iron, this has iron. I'm going to go to this one. Let's set down some solar panels. See, this has a pretty big spot of energy there, which is great. There we go. You can put 1, 2, 3 amazing solar panels right there. That's perfect. Okay, and then we also have to put a landing pad down here. So it's going to take in the water. No, not water, titanium. Iron is here. It's going to mix it with the iron in the crucible using the solar panels. I don't need to explain this. I have to bomb the place though. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Jeez, nearly put up the whole crater. Huh. No, it did. There we go. That's in. And then this should be going into it. And that should be going out. So we just have to hook this landing pad with this. Boom. Just like that. It's already sending the shipments there. They're already making their way there. It's already doing it. That's insane. How is it so quick? It's just, you know, I don't know. Why don't we make a light alloy next? That would be cool. Like aluminium and silicon. It's crazy. Okay, how is this made? Is it made in the crucible? Oh my god. Oh my god. Can't I don't have any more points, bro. I can't make a thingy. Okay, well, give me a minute, guys. We'll harvest the sulfur from here. We'll send it out. I guess, no, actually, never mind. I don't think we can. It's all been, trodden on. We'll have to get sulfur from somewhere else. Yeah. Okay, this is just, yeah, sending out, that's a good speed. That's good speed. Okay. And then we're gonna have to put land. What? There's the place as well. Oh, well, that's unfortunate. Oh, I guess we also do need the stupid light alloy, don't we? Of course we do. We're crying out loud. Why? Right, well, you're gonna have to wait, because we've got a business to run, so... Okay, we'll just hook this up with the sulfur then. So, sulfur's just so intelligent. Right, that's gonna do it. This one needs not even water, apparently. It just needs light alloy. So, how do we make that? How do we make this? This one, there we go. Aluminium and silicon. There is silicon here. And there is aluminum somewhere. One also has this, which is fantastic. Right. Which this will need strong alloy, which we actually have, so that's good. Goodness me. Got a landing pad down here, connected with a strong alloy. Me saying hello to my friend, but I'm not speaking proper English. Alloy. It's not even funny. Right, that's gonna land here. And then it'll go here. There it is, you can already see it heading on. And that's brilliant because it's doing it. Get out of the flipping way. There we go. Right, this one. Right, this one. Right, this one. There we go. It's nearly done. Else. 15 energy. Nuclear fission. What am I doing? A particle accelerator. Am I going to have to make a particle accelerator? What am I doing? So if I look at this... Oh my god. Why is it... Really? Wow. Good thing there's uranium right there. In a nutshell, the more uranium you feed it with, higher output. Great, that's good. Boom. Boom. Can it explode? Can it go into nuclear meltdown? Oops, you fed it with too much uranium. Whole place is gonna blow up. 7? Okay, well. Sure. So do I have to put another nuclear reactor down or what? Oh, this can power multiple things at once. That's good. That's great. That's fantastic. Yeah, okay. Well, let's just plonk another one down and why don't we? Right, we'll plug that in as well then. There we go. Brilliant. And it's done. We don't need any of it anymore. Okay. So I'm going to slow it down because if I do the last light alloy thing, then it's all done. I guess not. This one has nothing on it. This one has only aluminium. This one has nothing on it. This one has aluminium, iron, and titanium. Makes methane and oxygen now, just sending out methane. Perfect. Right. Remember what this looks like? It looks like this. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Landing pad number 1. Landing pad number 2. In this. Okay. Oh my god, wait, no. No, recall. I just remembered I haven't even refined my water. That is probably something I need to do. There we go, carbon. Okay, cool. Carbon is being produced. There we have it. Carbon is. That's next on our list. I guess make ceramic, silicon, and hydrocarbons. Okay, cool. Well, we've got carbon being produced. So that's good. Which we needed for something. This one. Okay. And then hydrocarbon. How do we make hydrocarbon? I'm guessing it's hydrogen and carbon, but we don't have hydrogen. We have water. So it's probably water and carbon. Oh my gosh, I'm so smart. What the flip this off? So don't mind if I just destroy everything. Dude, put it through there, put it out through there, but then also the landing pad here. Right, well this will go over here then. To this, what, chemical lab, I think, yeah. Chemical lab. Into this with this water, which will produce hydrocarbon. Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Okay. This is not needed. We'll put a refiner down. But can we just like have one leading out, but then one up? No, we can't. Okay. Okay, hold on. Pipe hub. Boom. Goes to this one. One of it goes out, straight out, so now it's just carbon also going out. Another one goes into the plastic bit, so it's plastic. So it's hydrocarbon, plastic, carbon, all going out. There we go. Brilliant. Look at that. That is a masterpiece of engineering. Gosh. Wow. Carbon to just go straight out. So it's just a carbon only launch pad. Which I think is quite good. So there's some going through here, there's some going through here, there's some going through here. It's making an equal supply of everything. So this is just carbon for the ship and everything. And hydrocarbon for the ship and everything. And plastic for the ship and everything. And then this is straight carbon for specific task. Then we take this. Jesus, man, what is this traffic problem? Oh my gosh. It's just everything trying to get through here. Look, these guys are just trying to get into here. Look, they're being held up by these idiots. Move over! Get out of the way! Okay, well, I just witnessed a collision. I mean, they've got it backed up right down here. This guy's literally in the other guy. That's insane. How's that working? Just we'll mix them. Ceramic, oh god, you're kidding me, man. I can't even. So that's just aluminium plant. I need somewhere that has like a crater, a small crater that I can use. But none of these places have anything. This doesn't have anything. This is the only hope. If this doesn't have a thing, then oh, we're doomed. Yes, we're doomed. Okay, well, what am I going to do then? Reuse the old crater on this one, I think. It's the only hope. But I think it's in use. Is it not? Oh, I know we have these. Okay, well now we're fine then. I could just make some. Okay, now we put down crucible, which I think that's what we needed. Okay, and then we... Wait, that's not even... This is a whole nother thing. Wait, that's a whole nother metal. Hold on. Gosh, nearly made a deadly mistake there. Put that one in. Connect it up. Connect this one up. And I do that. So then that should make ceramic, but we need to connect this one with the carbon only stream coming from here. Connect it up there. And there's a ship coming. I would say it's going to take about 3 to 5 seconds to arrive. Then the carbon comes in. We need the crucible though. Should I use solar panels or should I use the nuclear reactor? I mean, the nuclear reactor is not getting much love. Feel. So I'm thinking nuclear reactor is the way to go. Feeling that, you know what I mean. But we are going to need a steady supply of uranium. But we are going to need a whole nother landing pad to direct into here. Which will direct into here. Okay, we're going to need what, like eight extractors of uranium. Where's just a uranium? This is a uranium only planet. We can use this. 8 extractors. Bang them down and send them off. 7, 8, 9. Going in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's powering it perfectly and it's making ceramic. But silicon and water together. So I am going to leave that today. Because I've done enough. I've been on it for I don't even know how long. Feels like probably too much. So I'm going to stop it now. I'm going to leave it. Thanks so much everybody for watching. If you've watched this far, why don't you drop a comment saying the word asteroid. I don't even care how you spell it. Just put your best guess of how to spell it in the comments. And you know, if you had this in the background, it's about to finish, so make sure to put another video on. That's it. Peace out. See you in the next one. Bye.
Ryan, cause this man wake up good enough. Give me a good black like that.